Open your eyes. Your back is screaming. Your hands are wet and frozen and bleeding. You're sitting on a wooden bench that was not designed for human anatomy. Beneath you, the sea heaves. The sky is gray. Everything is gray. You're on a longship. Welcome to the Viking Age. Check your hands. Calluses, cracks, salt in every cut. You've been rowing for hours. Days? You've lost count. The man next to you is vomiting over the side. The man behind him is singing a song about killing someone. The man across from you is sharpening an axe while staring at nothing. This is your crew. How did you get here? Maybe you were born a free man. Maybe you're a thrall, a slave, trying to earn your freedom. Maybe you just wanted the silver. It doesn't matter. You're here now. The only question, how many raids can you survive? Let's find out. I'm your guide, still cynical. The jokes are drier now, like the sea air. First, the ship. The longship is a masterpiece. 70 feet of oak, shallow enough to sail up rivers, strong enough to cross the North Atlantic. No cabin, no beds, no bathroom. You sleep where you sit. You eat where you sleep. You pray the weather holds. The oar is your best friend and your worst enemy. Pull, dip, 10,000 times. Your shoulders burn, your palms split open. Dark humor moment. The Vikings invented CrossFit, just without the insurance. Now, your gear. You have an axe, not the giant double-headed thing from movies. That's fantasy. Your axe is single-bladed, practical, good for chopping wood, also good for chopping people. You have a sword if you're rich. You're not rich. You have an axe, a shield, round, wooden, iron boss in the center, painted black or red. You'll paint it with your enemy's blood later. For now, it's just paint. Helmet, no horns. Stop it, no horns. That was made up by opera people. Your helmet is a simple iron cap. Maybe a nose guard, that's it. Leather armor or chainmail if your father was rich. Your father wasn't rich. Leather. One tunic, one pair of wool pants, one cloak. You smell terrible. Everyone smells terrible. You don't notice anymore. Now, the raid, land ho. Someone shouts, you look up. A monastery, stone walls, a church, a farm, treasure. The monks see you. They start running. They know what's coming. You jump into the water. It's cold. So cold your lungs stop. Then they start again. You wade to shore. The shield wall forms. Men beside you, shields overlapping, axes raised. You walk forward. The monks are praying. You don't speak their language. Doesn't matter. Panic is universal. First contact. A monk swings a censer. A metal ball on a chain. It hits your shield. You don't flinch. You step closer. You swing your axe. He falls. Don't think about it. Don't look at his face. He's not a person right now. He's between you and the silver. Dark humor moment. The monks promise to live in poverty. You're helping them keep that promise. The raid lasts an hour, maybe two. You grab gold chalices, silver crosses, a box of manuscripts that you can't read. You'll sell them for scrap. You capture 2 monks, they'll be slaves. Or ransom. Depends on the market. You run back to the ship. The monastery is burning behind you. Smoke in the gray sky. You made it. Now do it again. Statistics. The average Viking raider survived about 5 or 6 raids. Not because the fighting was so deadly, because the sea was. Storms, sickness, bad water, bad food, one cut infected, one broken bone that didn't heal right. The fighting was dangerous, sure, but most men died from the journey, not the destination. Some Vikings raided for decades, became chiefs, became kings. Those were the exceptions. The ones with luck, and good genes, and good crews. Most went on 3 or 4 raids, made enough silver to buy a farm, married the girl next door, died old in their beds. That's the secret they don't tell you. Most Vikings were farmers who got violent once a year, not professional killers. But you're not a farmer right now. You're on the ship, and the next target is coming. Let's talk about Valhalla. The Vikings believed that warriors who died in battle went to Valhalla, a great hall where they fought all day and feasted all night. Infinite battles, infinite mead, no consequences. Sounds great, right? Here's the catch. You have to die in battle, with a weapon in your hand. If you die in bed of old age, you go to hell. Not the fun kind, the cold, boring kind. So every Viking raider had a choice. Die gloriously, or die boringly. Most chose boringly, because dying gloriously hurts. A lot. A dark humor moment. Valhalla has no chiropractors. Imagine fighting forever with a bad back. Now, back to the raid. The ship beaches again, different coast. different monastery, same monks running. This time, someone fights back. A local lord, maybe 20 men, swords, shields, angry. The shield wall meets the shield wall. The man across from you is bigger than you. Red beard, angry eyes. He swings his sword. You block with your axe. Sparks fly. He pushes. You stumble. He swings again. You dodge. Your shield catches the edge of his blade. Wood splinters. You hit him in the knee with your axe head. Not the blade, just the metal butt. He buckles. You swing again. This time the blade finds his neck. He falls. His men see their leader fall. They break. They run. You won. Again. Now. How long can you survive? Realistically? A few years? Maybe 5? Maybe 10 if you're lucky? The sea takes some. Infections take more. Old age takes the rest. But you knew that when you started this video. You wanted to know if you could be a Viking. Now you know. Yes? Probably. For a while. The question isn't, can you survive the first raid? The question is, can you survive the 10th, the 20th, the one where you're tired, the one where your luck runs out? So here's the deal. Comment below. How many raids would you last? 1? 5? Are you brave enough to say, I'd make it to Valhalla? And if you want to survive somewhere else, somewhere hotter with bigger monuments, subscribe. Next time we're going to Egypt, pyramid builder life. How long could you survive? Spoiler, the sun is not your friend, but that's for next time. For now, you're still on the longship. The oar is in your hands. The sea is gray. The next coast is somewhere over the horizon. Better start rowing. See you in Valhalla.